Because YOLISSA said it's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, just put it on and go. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a clean hairline wig from YOLISSA. Let's see what we have in the box. A wig bag, a very thick scarf, YOLISSA edge band, wig cap, lashes, and a edge brush. So I pulled all the hair to the front so you can see this is how the curls came, ready to go. This is a 20-inch, 13 by 4, 180 density body wave wig. Pre-plucked, pre-bleach. That's crazy. First things first, obviously we notice the lace. I think that with the length of this hair, it gives very classy and mature. So I think I kind of want to leave it clean. I don't know, we'll see. The pre-plucked is like perfect. Honestly, I don't really even think I need to do anything. I have my wig cap right here, you can see, and I don't really feel like it needs a lot of anything. The lace looks nice. I'm trying not to move it too much because I do want to keep these curls. Cap feels great. I don't have any of the clips, combs, anything done. The elastic band is not behind. It's just this wig is sitting on my head. It fits good. I have plenty of space, which I'm loving because I got a big head, and when the wigs are tight, it doesn't matter how cute it is. I just be over it. This hairline, girl, when you get a wig like this, do you know how much time it cuts out of the styling process when you know how to pluck and pluck and pluck and pluck and tweeze and go back and pluck and pluck? Like, that just took at least 30 minutes off this wig. We'll definitely have to cut out the ears because your wig can't be sitting down there like that. So we'll go ahead and cut about here so that it fits. Let's just go ahead and get into styling this wig. I ended up putting my wig on this dome head because I cannot see. I like to style my wigs on here. When I be by myself, I just be doing my little thing, but this is a video, so I gotta do my thing with you. That's how they look. So now let's tweeze just a tiny bit. I'm removing the makeup by where the wig will go, the lace will go, so that it can look flawless and clean. should have did this before I put the wig on, but I'm taking my foundation brush, putting whatever's left on it on the lace. I'm using some of this Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive, and like I said, I haven't done glue in a minute, so so for my part, I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation, and then I'm going to use some black mascara on a eyeshadow brush to close the part up a little so it doesn't look as wide and cover up any of the hair that may have got foundation on it. This is the finished product. Clean hairline. You see. I love that the hair came curled, because sometimes when we get body wave hair, it's just in the wave and it could be hard. It could take long. It's just a lot. This was stress-free. Simple. Cap fits great. I got a big old head. Comfortable. I will cut out all clips, all combs, and bands, and it's still gonna sit just like this. I feel like the part might be a little bit crooked, but it is very hard for me to put my wig on and not be sitting in front of the mirror. I mean, sitting with the wig in front of me on my wig head. So if it's crooked, I'm human, okay? But it still looks good. Pre-plucked, pre-bleach, pre-styled. What more can you ask for in a wig? And the pre-pluck was actually pre-plucked. It wasn't a little bit here, a little bit there. It was pre-plucked. Again, the density is 180, and with the length, it does give me classy, clean girl vibes. I will link all of YOLISSA's information in the description, as well as direct link to this wig, so you can check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.